If you are watching this YouTube for the first time, do not forget to like, share and subscribe so that you get notified, and do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So in this video, I would like to move further in the use of Google Sheet. So Google Sheet is a cloud version of Microsoft Excel. Everything you can do with your Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office 365, you can also do the same in your Google Sheet. The only difference is it makes collaboration easy in Google Sheet, whereby you can share with anybody, which I've explained in the previous video. You can also add comments. You can add some comments if you need to talk about something. Just by pressing add, you can click on the person you would like to mention its name in that comment. And these are the kind of things that makes Google Sheets something very interesting to use. And also, in this video, we are going to look at how we can use the Google form also, and a kind of interaction between the Google Sheet and the Google form. So in this Gmail account that we are using for this class, there is an existing survey that has been carried out. Is an Earth survey, and I would like to use that to explain. A form of so you can see these are the two sheets I've been able to create recently. So this has been created earlier. So if I should click on this now, and you can see these are the responses from a particular survey that has been carried out. These are the responses, the time, as well as the date it was done. But let's see how this come into existence. So let's go to these Google Apps here, and we're going to click on Forms. You scroll down, you see Forms. So this is a Google form. A Google form is something that helps you to be able to create a form which you can share the link with anybody around you, and this will enable you to be able to get the feedback in a real time. So this is one of the benefits of using Google Sheet. You get feedback in the real time. You'll be able to track how people are responding. So these are existing forms which I've created before, and which is one of which I was able to see the feedback there. So let me click on this, which has been created on April 13, 2023. So anytime you want to use a Google form, you can use it for a survey, you can use it for recruitment. If you have a party and you want to seek the opinion of people to help you in the preparation and decision making, you can use your Google form in doing that. So this video is just a brief to show you a kind of interaction between the Google form and the Google Sheet. So this was created as is a research methodological survey on adolescent reproductive health, and you can see the details of this research, the age and everything that we need to ask. So after it has been put together, the questions has been put together, we use a conditional response where it is necessary. You can now see that these are the responses from people. We're able to see that 71 people responded to this survey, and we can see how people responded. You can see that the eligibility criteria. We can see how some of the questions where people responded from, the percentage of males and females. So this we have been able to picture this directly from the Google Sheet. So you can see that 71 people responded to the survey, and also if we want to stop people from responding to this survey, you just click on this and you can see that not accepting response, it changes to red. So if I still want people to keep on responding, I will still hold it. So Now I can export this response which I'm seeing here in a Google Sheet. So once I click view in sheet, all those responses which people, the 71 people which they have responded, will now appear as a Google Sheet. You can see it now. So these are the responses from this respondent based on the questions being asked. And this is very interesting. You can create a Google form for a survey anywhere in the world, and as people are responding, you'll be seeing it in a real time. You can wake up in the morning and check how many people have responded, just like you're seeing this now. And you can export it in another tab. Here you will see how things are going. And when you are done, you just click on this file, boom, you click on download, and you can easily download it as a Microsoft Excel file, as a PDF file, or a CSV, comma separated value, or a TSV, a tab separated value. So you can download it in any of those forms. So let's see how we can download this one in a Microsoft Excel, and you can see it being downloaded. So this makes it easy. Maybe you want to do something outside the Google Sheet, you can easily do that. And of course, you can also do all the data analytics process which you have learned in Microsoft Excel also in this Google Sheet. And that will be the next thing we shall be talking about in our next video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and press the notification bell to get notified when I upload the next video. Bye for now.